Welcome to the Service Continuity with Partner Ecosystem Architecture. The solution we will see is the product of the collaboration between Accenture, Dynatrace, Red Hat, and Trilio to help companies implement a platform where their applications can offer users service continuity. Some of the main needs that this architecture addresses are to maximize availability and responsiveness of services, create an innovative, comprehensive, and fully automated solution for enhanced application service continuity through operational resiliency, and to ensure compliance with industry standards at any time. The building blocks of the solution are the following. First of all, a cloud-native application platform where containerized applications and virtual machines can run side by side that can be deployed anywhere, from on-premise to public or private cloud to edge or a combination of them. Then we have a replica of the application platform for disaster recovery purposes. Also, storage for the backups taken in the application platform is needed. Those backups are also made available continuously in the disaster recovery application platform. Another component is a hub cluster that manages the life cycle of the tools that are available in both application platforms and also contains the automation platform that reacts to events caused by errors when they arise in the application platform and restores healthy backups of the applications in the disaster recovery platform. Finally, we also have a monitoring platform that captures those errors and sends the events to the automation platform so that it can trigger the remediation actions. We hope that this architecture is useful to you. Please contact the portfolio architecture team if you have any questions. Your feedback is much appreciated.